So first, I'm going to introduce myself a little bit and then tell you what this video about. Hi everyone, I'm Jiaqi from the communication program at U Ottawa. I'm in the first year, and in this video, I will make a summary of the research report of the course CMN1160, include all the answers to question 1 to question 7. Here's the first one. I'll just skip to the second one as I already answered the first question. So about the time I spent on my phone, as the picture shown below. According to the requirements, I made a calculation of the daily average of my smartphone usage. So here comes the results. It's about 4 hours a day. So question 3 about the reason I used various methods is because it is a way that includes diversity elements in it, and it can reach to different files from social media to street media to represent different aspects of this society. And it is really beneficial way to gain experiences of media because we get to learn through practice. I was painting, doing handworks, and writing poems, and it really exercised my abilities of observation, record, and expand my thinking ways. And here, this is the college showing below was made to stand up for saying no to misogyny. And we can see that even with only simple words and paper cuts, it is still really powerful and meaningful. It represents a lot. Question 4 is about the things I learned from street level media. So street media culture for me personally is the media collection and observation from street. When I'm studying this, I get to have more opportunities to do the actual practical things, like going out on the street, observe those posters, field, and record them. Also, street media is a direct representation and reflection of local culture. The thinking ways and the culture details are all exposed through street media. And that's awesome, everything about the culture itself. And here is the street level media I found. It is a typical example of street media, and it is like only around the campus on the pool. Question number 5. The things I learned from making artworks. I've learned a lot through making different artworks. I've learned to use digital or non-digital devices to drawing and painting, using clay to build forms of creative arts, but those are all less important. What's more important is the thoughts I developed and the way I express them out during this process. It's the depths I reached for and meanings I get. It's about how thoughtful and powerful they are. All of my artworks, they were blooming like flowers, and they help me exercise expressing the feelings without words. And I can feel these art cells growing in my mind. And here is the painting I drew, and I forgot what the name was, but it is like red, colorful flowers blooming under the blue sky. And here is another clay artwork I made. Question number 6. Things I learned from word clouds. Word clouds are exactly something pretty new to me, and I never get in touch with them before. I found this pretty fresh and interesting for me because I get to use a special website to create my own personal word clouds. It really brings me a big sense of achievements. During this semester, I've made more word clouds, and it's quite interesting because there are some word clouds they appeared more frequently than other ones, and they occupy the largest central positions in the word clouds, which means that they're something that I mentioned very often, and also I think they're being like the central meaning of all my texts. And here are the 2 examples of my word clouds. The first one and the second one is about dream. Here's something I learned from this research journey, this course. First, I learned how to make word clouds through some special website tours, and second, I get to observe black to white information about street media every time I went out in the street. Those things are really important, and I like everything about this course. That's all. Bye.